So in this video we discuss how to create this symbol, that is earth with ribbon. That is how to create earth with ribbon in your Windows computer. So for doing this you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you must type this, that is Alt 128157. Okay, I will show you how to type. For doing this you must simply go to your keyboard, and this is your alt key, so one of your finger should be in this alt key, so you did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must turn on the number lock here. Okay, I forgot to say. So first of all you turn on the number lock also. So one of your fingers should be in alt key. You did not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here a number 128157. Now you can release the finger from this alt key, and you can see that this symbol have been added here. Now you can even change the color also by selecting this, and you can change the color that you whatever you want. You can adjust the color also from here. So if this video is interesting, for more videos like this, subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.